The Nikuni VDF, which stands for Vortex Dynamic Filter, is a maintenance-free filtration system. The key advantages of the VDF are highly efficient and accurate filtration, prevention of bubbling in the tank with no need to change like filters that clog. Therefore, the VDF is maintenance-free and doesn't produce industrial waste. The Nikuni VDF Vortex Dynamic Filter is an environmentally friendly filtration system. The processed liquid mixed sludge is pressurized and then sent to the VDF via a pump. A vortex occurs in the VDF. The sludge is sent away to the inner wall of the VDF, drops, and is eliminated as contaminated fluid. In the meantime, the fluid which is rising in the center of the VDF is changed into clean fluid for reuse. The processed liquid mixed sludge is filtrated and separated into clean fluid and contaminated fluid. The VDF is designed with a rate of clean fluid to contaminated fluid of 9:1. The VDF reduces contaminated fluid which is discharged and makes highly efficient solid-liquid separation possible. Let us look at the removal rate of aluminum sludge with a specific gravity of 2.7. It is proven that particles with a size of more than 10 micrometers are removed mostly under 0.2 megapascals supplied pressure. About 65% of particles are sized at 3 micrometers, roughly 95% are sized at 10 micrometers, and particles sized 15 micrometers are almost completely removed. The excellent removal rate is confirmed under the condition of oil-based coolant in 5 centistocks kinematic viscosity. It is possible that 80% of the sludge of 20 micrometer particles are removed. When the supplied pressure rises further to 0.3 megapascals, the removal rate rises to about 87%. The process liquid, which is supplied to the VDF, is separated and sent to the clean fluid tank and contaminated fluid tank by centrifugal force. The filtered clean fluid is reused. The VDF absorbs no air to prevent bubbling. It negates insufficient pumping and the contamination of surroundings by the scattering of bubbles. The VDF is supplied with a sludge pod and a VDF adapter as an option. The sludge, which is removed by the VDF, sinks in the pod and is concentrated. Closing of the outlet valve results in collection of the sludge in the pod. Opening the outlet valve, the concentrated sludge, together with the contaminated fluid, is discharged. The contaminated fluid which is discharged is reduced, and the sludge is concentrated and collected. The VDF adapter is used when underflow cannot be connected to the main tank or retrieving the separated sludge. In the VDF, the existing filtration equipment can replace environmentally friendly filtration equipment. Existing filtration equipment requires frequent cleaning of the strainer as well as changing of the filter, both resulting in high operative cost and increased industrial waste. Nikuni has studied and developed a new filtration element applying centrifugal force. It is the VDF Vortex Dynamic Filter. The VDF enables highly efficient and accurate filtration, even with small particle-sized sludge. the VDF results in excellent removal. It prevents bubbling in the tank, so the surroundings are kept clean. The VDF, which concentrates contaminated fluid, makes sludge treatment easy. There is no need to change cartridge filters or bag filters. It produces predominantly clean fluid and reduces the changing amount of coolant fluid. It prevents damage of machine tools by high-speed spindles, the advancement of the processing performance, and the preservation from decay of coolant fluid. This offers promising effects. The VDF Vortex Dynamic Filter offers 7 specifications, from a small-size version that filtrates 20 liters per minute to a large-size version that filtrates 300 liters per minute. According to the treatment amount, customers can choose the appropriate best fit VDF. Furthermore, the low-pressure VDF makes greater energy savings possible. The key advantages of the low-pressure VDF is that it can be used in a small tank because the motor in the pump is made smaller than the existing model and the rise of fluid temperature is reduced. As a result of the energy savings and the environmentally friendly nature, filtration is made possible. The low-pressure VDF can be used to supply pressure of 0.1 megapascals. Generally, the greater the supply pressure rises, the greater is the electric power of the motor used for the pump and the rise of calorific value. It is the same when connecting the VDF, and the rise of fluid temperature is suppressed by using 0.1 megapascals, then 0.2 megapascals. As a result of this, there is no bad influence to processing accuracy and no need to supplement with cooling equipment. The low-pressure VDF is ideal for customers who have trouble with increases of fluid temperature. In the case of 70 liters per minute processing amounts, the VDF raises one rank up to CL-100LW, but the electric power of the motor reduces from 1.5 kilowatts to 0.4 kilowatts. Let us look at the removal rate of aluminum sludge at a specific gravity of 2.7 while supplying pressure of 0.1 megapascals. Particle sizes of 10 microns at 90% are removed, and in particle sizes of 20 microns, 98% are removed. The excellent removal rate was proven while supplying pressure of 0.1 megapascals with even oily cutting fluid at a moving viscosity of 5 centistocks. 70% of the sludge is removed on particle sizes of 20 microns. Thus, when the VDF is used for low pressure, the rise of fluid temperature is suppressed. Nikuni offers maintenance-free filtration equipment for adapting the VDF. The C-Cat hand-operated, the C-Jaguar half-automatic, and the NAX CS full automated equipment with a gather-up conveyor are available, and customers can choose the best equipment according to their needs. Nikuni offers environmentally friendly fluid filtration.